everybody. My name's Mary. I want to come on here tonight to do a video because I want to talk to you about a program that I'm in and what I'm doing to create an income online and just give you a little bit of background about myself. So this is kind of the first video I've done. I'm kind of stepping out of my comfort zone, trying to be more comfortable. I'm kind of an introvert, and I can talk to people all you want, you know, in front of groups of people. No, I'm not so good about that. I find myself kind of a humorous person. I do get along with people very well, and I do like talking and interacting with people, and that's just my personality. I'm a helper. I'm a people pleaser. Yeah, so, you know, it has a lot to do with coming out of your comfort zone and just stepping out, you know, and taking that leap of faith that everything's going to work out and you're going to do a great job and get over your fears and just go out there and just do it. But anyway, yes, my name's Mary Svajdlenka. I have been online for a couple years now. You know, just trying to find the right program. There's so many out there. So many scams going around. People just, you know, looking for people to join them just so they can make a big buck. You just have to practice what you're doing. Take a look at it, you know. Make sure that you're getting involved with the right program. You know all the details. When I started, oh my gosh, it was like, I'm going to join this, I'm going to join that, I'm going to be a millionaire, I'm going to get rich fast, I'm going to throw all this money in. I wasted so much money online, and I didn't know anything about it, but I knew I wanted to be financially free. I wanted to have the lifestyle, not have to answer to a boss, not having to go to that 9-to-5 job that I so desperately hated. Yeah, so basically I was looking online for programs that would get me out of my 9-to-5 job, and because, you know, I am a mother, I want to stay home with my daughter. She is 12. I'm still raising her. She's my 13 years later baby girl. So kudos to her for being a single child, as she says. But anyway, yes, I was looking for that way to get out of my job, trying to figure out, you know, what I could do, how I could make this money online. I see so many people, you know, flashing all this money and thinking, you know, this could be really good. I could do this. I can make money online. So I did do the online thing. I got into some programs. A lot of them, you know, I thought were going to be, I'm not a recruiter. You know, I have a hard time with trying to get people to join me. But this is all changing, and it's because of this program that I'm involved with, and I'm learning a lot about how the business works, what you should do, what you shouldn't, how you can turn your mindset around and focus and get what you want, because what we're being taught is duplicatable and it's so easy to do. But yeah, so, you know, back to the programs that I got involved with. Oh my gosh, they seemed like they were good, but in the long run it ended up, you know, that they took your money and they didn't want to pay you out. So I lost a lot of money online and really didn't make anything, but I never gave up, because that is the one thing that I don't do. I'll be persistent and I'll keep pushing myself till I do find that right program or the right way to learn how to make money online. So I started following Amanda Ray. She is my sponsor, my mentor, my leader, for a couple years now. Got involved with some of the programs that she's in. you know, just basically watched what she was doing and said, man, if this girl can do it, so can I. And, you know, she's just like me. She's a single mother raising 2 kids. She's looking for that way to have more time freedom and be at home with her kids. And so that's what I wanted. I started following her because I relate to her. And basically got involved with some of the programs that she was involved with. And with following her, getting to know her a little bit, having some contact with her, she invited a few of us to be involved with the program that she created. And this program, oh my gosh, let me tell you, I am just so blown away because it's simple. The simplicity of the program is just simply amazing. You don't have to do much. You don't have to recruit people. It is all about your mindset, how to do things the way they're taught to you by this mentor. And if you can just follow simple steps, follow the procedures, do the tasks that this program teaches you to do, you can make money. There are people that have never made a dime online that are joining this program, and they're blown away with about how easy it is and how successful they're becoming. And people are changing their mindsets because, you know, the program works. It just simply works. I've been in over a little bit over a month and a half now, not quite 2. And as of today, I have made almost $1,800 in just a little over, like I said, a month and a half. And with, you know, I'm blown away because, you know, like I said, I've never made money online, and this program is simply amazing and easy to do. You're basically following the steps that are laid out for you. You know, we get online, we join Facebook. You know, people are on Facebook anyway, so if you're on Facebook, why not join and get paid to do simple tasks that take you about an hour a day to do. So yeah, with this program, I'm not even joking, it's the easiest program I've ever done, and I'm just amazed. Amanda has created a great program for everybody, and like I said, you get involved, you pick the level you want to come in at, you post on Facebook, you spend about an hour a day, if even that, making your post, commenting on other people's posts, it teaches you, you know, also how to get your engagement up. So if you're not doing well as far as getting likes and comments and things like that on your Facebook posts, we have the tools to teach you how to do this. And with this mentor, she is amazing with, you know, I started out with probably having only 10 to 15 people maybe even comment on my posts, and now some of my engagements are up to like 750 likes, 600 comments. It's, you know, it's amazing. You know, you can do this. It's so simple. So yeah, I involved with Simple Solution Method, and that is the program that Amanda has created. And I'm just blown away, like I said, because of the simplicity of the program. Super easy to do. Anybody can do it. It is not hard. You just post on Facebook, get your engagement up, getting people involved. You don't even have to recruit because the people come to you wanting to know how you're making the money. So yeah, with this program, it is amazing. And if you want to get involved, I'm going to leave my link down below. So make sure you can click on that link, and it'll take you to where you need to go to find out some more information about what we do. We also have a Facebook group, and I can link that in the comments below too. So if you're interested in making money online and you've never made money before, this is going to blow your mind. You're going to be so amazed with how simple it is. So yeah, comment below if you're interested. Go to my website, check it out. Make sure that you get back with me. I have my phone number, my email in the description. Feel free to get a hold of me. You know, I will help you in every way to get you started to making money online, as my mentor did for all of us. And I'm ready to get you started. So yeah, if you're ready, go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload some videos that are going to teach you how to make money and how to do short tricks and things like that. It's super cool. Anyway, so yes, I can't talk. Successful Solution Method is the program, and I'm excited to get you started and get you to making this money that I've been making in this short amount of time. And you're just going to be blown away. Like I said, it's simply amazing, and I look forward to getting you involved and getting you going and helping you out in any way that I can. So have a great night. I will be back with another video. This is the first of many, and I look forward to seeing your success when you get started. So hit the notification, hit the bell, subscribe, make sure you like or comment, and I will catch you on the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.